Watch out this one.
Oh, look at those bad boys there, guys. Difficult to eat, and if you swallow too much, it's difficult to pass out. Hannah, hold on. Slow down. Don't make me grandfather. Don't make me grandfather yet. Give me some more years. I'm still young. Please like, subscribe, and share. My amazing people, how are you guys doing? I trust and pray you guys are keeping safe, taking good care of your health. Like I always say, guys, health is wealth. Well, today I'm here at one of my buddies' home, just chilling, relaxing, spending a quiet, beautiful afternoon. Let me introduce you to my buddy, Lloyd. This is the first time you'll meet him. Look. This is Lloyd. Both of us went back, how long, Lloyd? In the 80s? Yeah, man, we are probably dinosaurs, man. Yeah, we are probably dinosaurs, man. To this new generation, we went back a long time. You remember, guys, I did a vlog 3 videos ago, and I told you my buddy has lost his mom. Well, this is the guy that lost his mom. So we went back many years, and we've been friends from all those years until now. We did things that I don't want to mention because his wife is here right now. And by the way, guys, he is a videographer, photographer. He does live streaming. He has his own production company. He is the pro of the pros. And he has his own crew, which is so nice. His son and his daughter, they work together. So if you guys ever need a photographer in Suriname or to do some videoing, some live streaming, pro of the pros. I will put his details down in the description box below. You can always contact him. So today we won't be talking about work though. We are off from work today. We're going to do some other stuff today. We're going to work with some crabs. We're going to... How are we cooking these crabs, like?
Curry?
Oh, okay. So my buddy's going to curry these crabs. He bought the crabs at a location and they clean it already. So I'm going to show you the cleaning process during this video.
Watch out this one. The rest na so normal yan. Manawan alam aladik ka. Ipot kami po.
So let me show you what you're working with. Oh, look at those bad boys there, guys. Look at those crabs. Well, they're clean in the sense that most of the stuff came out, but we have to wash it and scrub it, and then it'll be looking way cleaner than this. So Lloyd said he's gonna do this in a curry crab with coconut milk.
Curry crab. My wife's coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk? Yeah, coconut
Oh,
milk.
the cook is inside there. All right. So we're gonna eat and help cook, I guess. There you go, guys. I haven't had crabs in a long time, man. But I wanted to do the cleaning process myself, you know, to experience how they bite you. But it's okay. Next time we can do that. So you guys stick around, join us. We'll have some beer and we'll have fun, guys. So join us and we'll start cleaning these crabs. So this is the cook. This is my my buddy's wife, my sister-in-law. She is the chef today, and she's starting the cleaning process. So let it soak for a while, and then you have to scrape these, right?
Then you have to scrape it and scrub it with a brush and get it out clean.
Oh.
Very clean.
Okay, you'll see the difference, guys. You'll see the difference.
Everything has to be clean. Then you have to soak it with vinegar.
Oh,
To
okay.
take out the rank of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Masala crab in the house.
You have to go clean it now.
But I don't know it's not crab season, so you're gonna extra big one.
Yeah, these are small crabs, guys. This is not the crab season right now. The first set has been washed, so you have to rewash it again. You know, in Guyana, we always say, crab, hard to catch, hard to clean, difficult to eat, and if you swallow too much, it's difficult to pass out. It's a painful process. It's a painful process. But it's delicious, guys. But these are small. These are not that big.
No.
Yeah, but it's not crab season right now. But, oh, crab is delicious. One of my favorite seafood. Like I always say, if doctor ever tells me I'm allergic to crab or to seafood, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to stress out.
Then you have to put some vinegar. This is for the rank from the crab. It's going to take away the rank.
Okay.
So you got to put
Here
some
goes the
vinegar.
vinegar.
Then you put a little bit more water. Then you sit and scrub it and clean it nice. This is it. Yeah. It's going to take away all the rank out of it.
These are the pros in crab. Yes, buddy, like I was saying, I think I prefer the 80s. The 80s were the best years. The 80s is where, you know, we didn't know what was video games and cell phones and all these things. You know, we spent our time just riding bikes all over Suriname, going around, swimming every weekend. You know, those were the good old days, listening to those oldies music. You know.
Like some family eating Leonsberg by auntie.
Oh, but yeah.
Yeah,
we go. Yeah, man, those were the days. Those days will never come back. Anatram, remember those days? We used to go by your house in Leonsberg. Your mom used to cook $20 puri. We used to eat it out. Remember those days, buddy? Yeah, guy, those days won't come back anymore. Those were the good old days. And in those days, you had all of those oldies. Remember?
Yeah.
Under the boardwalk. Corina, Corina. Oh, those were the songs that
Somebody like Jim Reeves, those.
Yeah, Jim Reeves. Yeah,
Country Western.
Yeah.
Raj
and
Country
Country
Western.
Western. Yeah. Charlie Pride.
Charlie Pride.
Brooke Benton. Horsey Sledge. Man. No, we're like dinosaurs now, buddy. Yeah. When we time done, it's when we're chilling. Actually, got grandchildren already. Hannah, hold on. Slow down. Don't make me grandfather. Don't make me grandfather yet. Give me some more years. I'm still young. Yeah, this guy got some beautiful grandkids already. Yeah. And his name is Lloyd II. His dad was Lloyd, the original Lloyd. Lloyd II. And his son that works with him is Lloyd III. His grandson is Lloyd IV. That's how it's supposed to be.
And he has a twin, like with a next two wives, no?
Oh yeah.
And the twin is also like.
Oh, but it'll be Lloyd 4 too, right?
Like 4A, like 4B.
Lloyd 4A and Lloyd 4B. But you know, some of these kids have these names these days. It's like, I can't figure out where they found to get these names. I don't know. I gotta keep my grandkids' names simple, okay? Don't go put like something like ice on the house or something. Keep it simple. See, guys, the process. Because these are mud crabs, right? They dwell in the mud. So that's so why they're so dirty. So you gotta clean all of these one by one. It's a process, but it's worth it, guys. You gotta brush them, you gotta clean them. Done. We give you work today, child. We give you work. as white as can be. Clean. Took a while, but it's finally clean. That's the clean part of it. Ready to be cooked. But Don is going to wash it a few more times, and then it'll go into the pot. It'll go into some masala, curry masala. So now we're going to prepare the ingredients for the curry. The cook there, Don, is going to get the masala, get the onion, garlic, whatever, and then stay tuned, guys. So now the pot is on the stove. Crabs are clean in there, and the masala, everything grind up in there. Oh, ho, ho, ho. This is going to be good, guys. This is going to be good. This is going to be good. Keep it until it all get hot, and then my sister-in-law is going to chunky the curry. Oh, that's hot. So the chef in the house. You hear the sizzle? You can smell that. If this camera can only smell. I told you guys one time already, right? When anyone else is cooking besides me, I love to be around them. So I keep learning from everyone too, right? So we learn from each other. Wow, that smells good already. It's frying up there. Len, I didn't know your wife is from India. I didn't know your wife is from India. She can cook a good masala. Can cook a good curry. Oh, he teach you to cook. All right.
Yes, it's frying up nice.
Frying up nice. So now the crab is gonna go in there. It's a lot of crabs. Lloyd, when we go to Coroni, or when we go to Coroni, or if I go or you go, we can buy a bag.
Yeah.
If you ever go, or if I go.
Yes.
Am I going to carry this weekend, Saturday? Mike.
If you go and tell me, but I have to do the for the guy go. I got friend in Corona with them.
Okay.
And I share and I have to pass it or get it.
All right. I think I might go Saturday. I'm not so sure. Okay, so in goes the coconut milk. Look at the goodness. Two cans going in there with all that crap. Okay, and the goodness continues. All right, cheers. Waiting for the crab and jogo. Parbo biri, that's not biri. Cheers. One of the best beer in the world, guys. Parbo biri. Coming along, the chef Don just added some seasoning inside. What do you put seasoning? You put some salt already?
Yeah.
Okay, salt.
Maggi
block and stuff. Okay, oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. And that's the finished product. So we're gonna have a taste of this just now. Look at it, guys. See?
Nice.
It's beautiful. We're gonna taste this in a while. Finish. Well, you're the chef, right? We can taste. Yeah, we can taste just now. Don't worry about it. Yeah, we can taste. Yes, that's it. Beautiful. Damn, that thing looks so good. That food looks so good. No, watch it, watch it, watch it. Look nice, eh? No. You don't laugh. You don't laugh at chef.
We just cook the big pot. We're gonna cooking outside.
Yeah, me too. I like cooking outside. I like outside. I rather fireside cooking than
stove cooking.
Yeah.
Okay, like.
Look at the goodness. Look at the goodness. Look at my body. Look at my body. See body eating? That's how my body eats crab. That's how my body eats crab. Always. And now for the taste test. The Chef Don in the house today. I'll taste the sauce first with the rice. Well done, Don. Well done. Oh, Lloyd? You married the right woman.
Well, you're supposed to be eating a spoon.
No, yeah, but it's too crab on the plate. I can't take it. Hand, you eat with your hand. How it tastes, Lloyd? Well, is your wife cooking?
What?
Good? Yeah, Don. This is really delicious. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. I didn't have this crab for a long time. Perfect house to come have it today. Well done, Don. Well done. Good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
See my body's eating? Every time he eats crab, that's how he always eats crab. He's like me, we both love crab. But see, he likes it more than me. Good, guys, good. So we're gonna continue eating. Done? Well done. I love it. We're gonna go to Coroni. We're gonna buy some crab and we're gonna kill it.
Nice big ones.
Yeah, we're gonna get some bigger ones. It's not crab season right now, so we have some. These are smaller crab, but we'll get some bigger ones soon, and then we'll kill it ourselves, and we're gonna cook it for us again. So, thank you guys for joining us. We're gonna continue eating this, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and I'll catch you in the other video. God bless. Bye for now.